There's nothing quite like the feeling of owning a home. It is a place that's all your own, where you can make memories with your family and friends. But when your home's roof is damaged, it can be stressful and overwhelming. That's where Denny's Roofing LLC comes in. Our team takes pride in delivering expert roofing and customer-focused services. We're the experts in all things roofing, including roof replacement in Broomfield, Colorado. Our team can even work with roofs with solar panels, removing and resetting them as needed. In addition to roofing services, we also offer other exterior services, such as gutter installation and siding repairs. We use only the highest quality materials for roof replacement, so you can be confident that your new roof will last for years. We believe in clear and transparent communication, and our team will keep you informed every step of the way. We understand that a damaged roof can be overwhelming, but we're here to make it as easy and stress-free as possible. Contact us today at 970-808-0247, and let us handle all your roofing needs. You can also visit our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/broomfield-roofing-company to see our other services. Contact Denny's Roofing LLC today and experience the peace of mind that comes with working with the best roofing experts.